Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's lesson. So today we have this question on the board to solve, and it's under number base, basically subtraction of number base. All right, so how do we go about with it? By the way, if today is your first time coming into contact with our videos, I would like to encourage you to follow our page for more teaching lessons like this. Kindly like, share, comment and repost. All right, so now let's solve it. Now what they are saying is that subtract this one from that, meaning that you have 1205 base 8, and you have to subtract this one from it. So you have 6, 3, 4 minus, Now what is happening is that you are going to subtract, but this one is in base 8. The usual subtraction or addition that we know is in base 10. Okay, so now how do we go about with this? You have to subtract 6 from the 5. All right, but you realize that 6 is bigger than the 5, so it should be challenging to subtract. All right, so what do? You come to the next number and see. So what you do is that you take 1 from the next number, which in this case, those times when you say we go like when you take 1, it will become 10. This time around, because it's base 8, when you take 1, it will not become 10, it will become 8. But even this side, it is 0, it's not 1. So you move on to the next number, which is 2, then you come and take 1 from there. So that 1, when it comes here, it will become what? 8. It's not 10 because you are not adding or subtracting in base 10. That is where the challenge is. Now, you realize that the one that was in base 10, when you add 10, you see that when there's a 0 there, that one will become 9. But for the purpose of what you're doing, this is in base 8. And so when you write the 8 here, this side will become what? 7. The 2 has now been reduced to 1. Okay, please kindly pay attention. So the 8 will be added to this one, that will give you 13. Take 6 from 13, that will be what? Left with 7. Now this side is now 0 plus 7, which is 7. Take 3 from 7 and that will give you what? 4. All right, now what is happening here? This side is no more 2 by 1. Now you want to take 4 from the 1. Realize that the 4 is bigger than the 1. So what do? You come and pick 1 from the next number here, and that 1 will become 8. Okay, because it's in base 8. 8 plus the 1 will give you 9. Take 4 from the 9, that will give you what? 5. Now what is left here? There's nothing left there because that is where you took the 1 from. And so at the end of the day, you bring your base so that we know that this one was conducted in base 8. And this is how you go about with subtraction in terms of number base. I believe that this is very precise, and if you take your time to go through it and watch it carefully, you receive insight on how to go about solving questions related to subtraction. In our next video, I'll be doing that for addition as well. So stay tuned and see you in our next video. Bye bye.